Hello, hi, I'm Tembeka from uZalo. Today I'm going to talk about Royalty Soap Award winner of 2020. One of many who won was Qeen, who won the Outstanding Lead Actress Award for her role as Mangcobo on uZalo, and Hesley, who won the Outstanding Lead Actor Award for his role as Cobra on The River, and also Sanam Qunu, awarded for Outstanding Support Actress on Gomora. And Supporting Actor Award went to Sthembiso Khoza as Shaka on The Qeen. Outstanding Female Villain Award went to Cindy Dlatu as Lindiwe Dikane on The River, and also Sicelo Buthelezi as Teddy on Gomora, who won the Outstanding Newcomer Award. And the Outstanding Couple Award was won by Cindy Dlatu as Lindiwe Dikane and Hlomna Dandane as Zweli on The River. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see when I upload.